Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simplify English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn English. I'm Sara.
Hello, Sara. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. How are you today, Sara?
I am very hungry today, Alex.
Hungry? You did not eat?
Not yet. I am thinking about food.
What kind of food?
McDonald's.
McDonald's? I love McDonald's too.
Big Mac, fries, Coca-Cola.
My favorite. Yummy, yummy.
Same here, Alex.
McDonald's is everywhere in the world.
True. Every country has McDonald's. Alex, today we have a delicious topic.
Tell me.
Today we will learn how to order food at McDonald's in English.
Oh, this is so useful.
Yes. Many beginners feel nervous at McDonald's.
Nervous. Do you know this word, everyone?
Nervous means scared or worried.
I felt nervous my first time.
Me too, Alex. We all did.
But after this video, no more nervous.
You will order like a native speaker.
Confident, brave, easy.
That is our promise today. But first, we have a small request.
If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Simplify English Talks.
Share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you so much. It helps us a lot.
We love our listeners.
Now, let's start. Are you ready, Alex?
I am ready. Let's go to McDonald's.
Okay, Alex, let's imagine. You walk into McDonald's.
Yes, I open the door.
What do you see?
Many people. The smell of fries.
Oh, French fries smell so good.
And burgers cooking.
The kitchen makes the food fresh.
I see the big menu on the wall.
Yes, the menu board.
Menu board. New word for me.
The menu board shows pictures of food.
With prices.
Yes, pictures and prices. Alex, at McDonald's, there are 2 ways to order.
2 ways?
Yes. Way 1, at the counter.
Counter. Where the worker stands.
Yes, you talk to a person.
Way 2?
Way 2, self-order kiosk.
Self-order kiosk. New word.
Self-order kiosk is a big touchscreen.
Like a big iPad?
Exactly. You touch and order yourself.
No talking?
No talking needed.
Easier for beginners?
Maybe, but today we learn talking.
Yes, we need to practice.
Alex, you go to the counter.
The cashier smiles at me.
Cashier, the person who takes your order.
Cashier. Got it.
The cashier says, "Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get you?"
What do I say?
You can say, "Hi, I would like a Big Mac, please."
Hi, I would like a Big Mac, please.
Perfect.
Or, can I get a Big Mac, please?
Yes, both work.
Polite words. Please and thank you.
Always polite. Let's learn famous McDonald's foods.
Yes, please.
Number 1, Big Mac.
Big Mac. The famous burger.
2 beef patties, cheese, lettuce, special sauce.
Big Mac is iconic.
Iconic. Famous and special.
Number 2.
Number 2, Quarter Pounder.
Quarter pounder. Big burger.
Yes, 1/4 pound of beef.
Number 3.
McChicken.
Chicken sandwich. Yummy.
Number 4, Filet-O-Fish.
Fish sandwich.
Yes,
crispy fish with tartar sauce.
Number 5,
Chicken McNuggets.
McNuggets. Small chicken pieces.
With dipping sauces?
Yes, many dipping sauces. What sauces?
Barbecue, sweet and sour, honey mustard, ranch.
So many choices.
Alex, every meal needs sides.
Sides. The food next to the main food.
Yes, like French fries.
French fries. My favorite.
You can say, I would like French fries, please.
I would like French fries, please.
What sizes are there?
Small, medium, large.
Yes, 3 sizes.
I always order large.
Large fries? Greedy Alex.
I am hungry, man.
What other sides?
Apple slices.
Yes, healthier option.
Salad?
Yes, some places have salad.
Hash browns for breakfast.
Hash browns are crispy potato.
So good.
Now, drinks.
What drinks do they have?
Many drinks.
Tell me.
Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta,
The classic sodas.
soda, soft drink, carbonated.
Carbonated. Has bubbles.
Yes,
Other drinks?
iced tea, lemonade.
Coffee.
Yes, McCafe coffee.
Hot chocolate?
Yes, especially in winter.
Milkshake.
Oh, yes. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry.
McDonald's milkshakes are delicious.
Delicious. Very tasty.
Water?
Yes, water bottle too.
Healthy choice.
Alex, do you know about combo meals?
Combo. Combination?
Yes. A combo meal is burger plus fries plus drink.
All together.
Yes. Cheaper than buying separately.
How do I order a combo?
Say, I would like the Big Mac combo, please.
I would like the Big Mac combo, please.
Some places say meal instead of combo.
I would like the Big Mac meal, please.
Both are correct.
Easy.
The cashier will ask, what size?
Small, medium, or large.
And what drink?
Coca-Cola, please.
Perfect. Alex, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
My first time at McDonald's in America, I was so nervous.
Why?
The cashier talked very fast.
What happened?
He said, "Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get you? Would you like to make it a combo? What size? Hot or iced? Anything else?"
All in one breath.
Yes. I was confused.
What did you say?
I just said, yes.
Yes to everything?
Yes.
What did you get?
A huge meal. Too much food.
Oh, Sarah.
I learned my lesson.
Lesson?
Don't say yes to everything. Listen carefully
Smart advice.
and ask them to repeat if needed.
Can you say that again, please?
Perfect phrase.
Sarah, I have a story too.
Tell me, Alex.
Last year, I went to McDonald's with friends.
Yes?
I wanted to order water,
Easy. Just say water.
But I said, I want water.
Water?
Yes, I pronounced it wrong.
Oh, Alex.
The cashier said, "Excuse me?"
What did you do?
I pointed at the picture.
Pointing works.
Yes, pointing saved me.
Don't be shy. Ask for help.
Now I always say water correctly. Practice makes perfect.
Alex, the cashier asks one more thing.
What?
For here or to go?
Eat in or take away?
Yes.
For here means eat at McDonald's.
Yes. Sit and eat there.
To go means take it home.
Yes. In a paper bag.
What do I say?
Just say, for here, please. Or to go, please.
Easy.
What do you prefer?
I prefer to go.
Why?
I eat in my car.
Car food.
Yes, American style.
Alex, McDonald's has drive-through.
Drive-through. I love drive-through.
Drive-through means you order from your car.
Through a window?
Yes, without leaving your car.
How does it work?
First, you drive to the speaker.
A speaker, like a microphone.
Yes, the cashier talks through it.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get you?
You order through the speaker.
Then?
Drive to the next window. Pay there.
With cash or card?
Then drive to the last window.
Get my food.
Yes, 3 steps.
Drive-through is fast.
Perfect for busy days. Alex, payment time.
The cashier says, that will be $10.
You pay with cash or card.
Card, please.
Or cash, please.
Easy.
Some places accept Apple Pay.
Modern world.
I'll use Apple Pay.
Tap to pay.
Many options now. After paying, you wait.
Where?
Near the counter or at your table.
The cashier gives me a number.
Yes, order number.
Like 47.
When ready, they call Order 47.
I go pick it up.
Pick up. Take your food.
Easy.
Sometimes you want changes,
What kind of changes?
like no onions on the burger.
No onions, please.
No pickles, please.
Extra cheese, please.
Extra ketchup, please.
No sauce, please.
You can ask for anything.
What if I am vegetarian?
McDonald's has veggie options.
Like what?
Filet-O-fish, salads, fruit.
Some places have veggie burgers?
Yes, different countries, different menus. Alex, complete roleplay time.
Yes!
I am the cashier. You are the customer.
Okay.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
That will be $12.
Card, please.
Thank you. Your order number is 47.
Thank you very much.
Perfect roleplay, Alex.
That was easy.
Let's review what we learned today.
Yes. Recap time.
We learned how to order food at McDonald's.
First, greeting the cashier. Hi, I would like a Big Mac, please.
McDonald's foods, Big Mac, Quarter Pounder, McChicken, Filet-O-fish, McNuggets.
Sides.
French fries, small, medium, large.
Drinks.
Coca-Cola, Sprite, milkshake, coffee.
Combo meals. Burger plus fries plus drink.
I would like the Big Mac combo, please.
For here or to go.
Drive-through, ordering from your car.
Special requests.
No onions, please. Extra cheese, please.
Paying with card or cash?
Pick up your order number.
Enjoy your meal.
Most important, be polite.
Please and thank you.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes. Leave a comment below.
What is your favorite McDonald's food?
Big Mac? McNuggets? Fries?
And tell us, what country are you in? McDonald's is everywhere. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English? Tell us your story. Write in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
We will read every comment.
Best comment featured next video. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, everyone.
Please subscribe to Simplify English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
Share with friends learning English.
Until next time, I'm Alex.
And I'm Sara. Both speak slowly, learn happily, and remember, every day you are getting better. Goodbye.